Every bag of cement begins not inside the factory, but deep within carefully planned limestone quarries.
Powerful hydraulic excavators load thousands of kilograms of limestone with every precise movement. Each haul truck transports the raw foundation of cement production from the quarry to the processing facility. Efficient logistics inside the quarry ensure a constant flow of raw materials without interrupting factory production. Continuous extraction keeps the supply chain moving long before manufacturing begins. Strategically managed stockpiles stabilize production by balancing quarry output with factory demand. The first controlled stage begins as raw limestone enters the plant's material handling system. Conveyors provide the uninterrupted movement essential for large-scale cement manufacturing. Clay joins limestone as another vital ingredient in the cement-making process. Multiple raw materials travel together, each contributing unique mineral properties to the final product. Silica-bearing materials help create the chemical balance required for strong cement. Even small quantities of iron-rich minerals play an important role in clinker chemistry. Careful stockpile management ensures consistent raw material quality every day.
Looks good.
Early quality checks prevent variations from affecting the production process. An interconnected conveyor network keeps thousands of tons of material moving every hour. The quarry and the factory operate as one continuous production system. After extraction, every load enters the next stage of an uninterrupted industrial journey.
All right, hold it right there.
The journey now enters the factory itself, where raw materials begin their transformation into one of the world's most important construction materials. Inside the receiving station, controlled unloading ensures a steady and uninterrupted flow of raw limestone into the heart of the cement factory. Powerful conveyor systems replace countless vehicle movements, transporting raw materials with remarkable efficiency. The primary crusher reduces massive quarry rocks into sizes suitable for the next stages of production. Uniform particle size improves handling efficiency and downstream processing performance. Transfer stations coordinate the continuous movement of thousands of tons of material every day. Before blending begins, carefully managed storage ensures a reliable supply of consistent raw material throughout continuous factory operations. After storage, the bridge reclaimer feeds limestone back into production at a carefully controlled and continuous rate. Each raw ingredient joins the production line in carefully measured proportions before processing continues. Precision proportioning ensures the chemical composition remains consistent from one batch to the next. Within enclosed conveyor galleries, raw materials move safely between every major processing department. Behind every automated process, coordinated logistics keep equipment operating without interruption.
Place the rollers by Bay 4.
With transportation complete, the raw materials are now ready for their first major transformation inside the cement factory. The raw mill marks the beginning of the factory's first major mechanical processing stage. Accurate feed regulation is essential for maintaining stable production quality. Modern cement factories combine experienced operators with continuous process monitoring. This maintains efficient production. Continuous monitoring allows the factory to detect even the smallest changes before they affect production. With transportation complete, the raw materials have reached the heart of the cement factory, where preparation for processing begins. Material that exceeds specification is immediately reduced and returned to the production line. Magnetic separation protects valuable equipment by removing unwanted metallic contaminants before grinding. Routine sampling verifies that every stage of production begins with accurately balanced raw materials. With preparation complete, the raw materials are now ready for the precision grinding process that creates the foundation of cement production. Screening protects downstream equipment by removing oversized material before fine processing begins. Inside the raw mill, enormous grinding forces reduce the carefully blended materials into an exceptionally fine powder known as raw meal. Hot process gases simultaneously dry and transport the finely ground material, improving efficiency throughout the production line. The dynamic separator ensures that only particles meeting strict size requirements move forward in the manufacturing process. Advanced filtration systems recover valuable raw meal while keeping emissions under strict environmental control. Once finely ground, the raw meal is transported through enclosed systems that protect both product quality and the factory environment.